I'm sitting here in front of the Boho apartment hotel next to the Verona. And this whole square, they say, was the former church area. And there's the Candles Suites. And it was for sale many years ago, 70 years ago, saying the building and the square. So you look at some of these buildings, especially that one there, the Verona in Mehane, across the street, you'll see some older spolia, which means remains from older buildings, especially near the doorways. Coming up from that square there, heading towards near the Alp Pasha Hotel. It can be this older building. Actually, you have an interesting wall here on the left, but then you have this older building on the right, and you can look at one of the spolia, which is, I would think, from the Byzantine times, because they often had the birds feasting. Here would be feasting on like a victory circle, and so very Byzantine in the artwork depicted here. Coming a little bit even farther up from that street, you can go right around the corner and right across from the 1207 Hotel. You'll see one of the few remaining Greek buildings with an open balcony. They had very open spaces. All the other ones enclosed are the Turkish ones, but this is a Greek building.